Hello, welcome to This and That. My name is Vicki. These were the long boxes that I put netting over. And if you don't have a lot of land to garden herbs or Swiss chard, kale, spinach, parsley, whatever, you use these long boxes, and I have a video on that. You fill it with mulch, some dirt, some perlite, put some netting over it so the birds and the critters won't get to it. This is from winter. This is the winter freeze netting. It's like interfacing, protects it from cold so you can grow your winter crops, root vegetables mostly, and some lettuces. Now I'm taking off the winter-proof netting because it is almost May 1st, and I'm going to be putting this netting on. It's for the sun, it's sheer. I got 10 by 30 feet for $10, and you put it over the hoops and then you just clip it on. This keeps the birds and other little critters from eating your plants. So the trick with putting netting on your garden boxes with these hoops, these are some kind of vinyl hoops. When they have these little silver hinges, they can snap off and pop off into your face. So I just use a little bit of packing tape to wrap around the silver hinges to make the hoops stay in place. And in the first video of your garden boxes for winter, I have that video, which I'll put in the more box, the link. You're gonna have the mixture of perlite, some black cow manure, and good garden soil. Now what I like to do is put the little hinge clips that they give you with these hoops, 3 on a hoop. And the trick is, give it a little lax, a little slag, because if it's too tight and the wind blows, it might blow, believe it or not, it might blow off because the winds here are strong. So give it some room. And then I found these clips. These clips are perfect. They go about 1/2 inch to about 1 inch. And I pin them or clip them on the edge here of the garden box. When they're closed, they're about 1/2 inch opening. So they're not good for these because they'll just slip. You want these kind of clips for these 1/4 inch hoops. But you want these kind of clips, which I got at Amazon, for the edges of the garden box for extra security, for the winds. So that is how you prepare the summer garden beds with this kind of netting. It's washable, it's durable. This netting for the winterization, this is also washable on a gentle cycle if it's not torn. And this will lead you right up into the winter crops. So give it a try, start planting, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.